Macaroni, hello Maka Juliet. I am in a crossroad once again. I'm really fond of being in a crossroad, no? This road will lead us to Fern, an agricultural farm here in southern Leyte, and specifically in St. Bernard. And this one is a diversion road bound to Hinunangan. Papunta doon. And we are going there. For this episode, mga Juliet, I am with my travel buddy, my husband, and our another buddy. This is Rito Kada. This has been one of our companions during our vlogging. To the entire duration of vlogging, we have this one for today and this one. Ang sama ni Be, kamong Tagaluman, kailan mo ano? This is soon to rise establishment, temporary and centralized emergency quarantine facility. Super ganda, no? But we're not going there. We are going exactly here. It's 2.2 kilometers away from where we stand right now. Fern's Agricultural Farm. Let's do check this way, that way. Agricultural Farm. There is also that one called La Costa Encantadia, about 1.6 kilometers away from here. So Rojanon today is done. So we will be traveling today for this episode back to Sorianan. La Costa Encantadia, Fern's Agricultural. Let's go. There.
Going to Fern, mga ka-Juliet, is a combination of patience and expertise sa pag-drive because of this kind of kalsada. Look, tanawa. It's very difficult because some parts are not yet cemented. So, naay mga portions nga, lubak-lubak dyan ang mga bato. Pero ting nagkuan ng lutaw sa kalsada. Super mabitak-bitak yung kalsada, mga ka-Juliet. And it's super crunchy. Kung popcorn pa, harang katagong come doon dulu.
Material ka beli polisi di telepon tali lima oh. Alahi hindi. Anyari. Where? To the left or to the right? Here's office.
So this is the place, mauda ini ang na-feature dito sa tarpaulin kato atong gibasa ganina. This is a quarantine facility and iba yung ganiha, we're not going there, but we are here. We are here. So actually we're here pero malabay rata. So see, the daan is very lapok, mga ka-Juliet, bago pa sang gibulldoze. So, uwan kagabi ipa, ganiha pang buntag, arapang uwan. So, expect the lapok, mga ka-Juliet, nga magatuhod ng among motor. Alos di na muda ang gaan. Nagtulidyok na ang ligid. Hinagligid tulidyok. So, we decided to take a complete U-turn. That road, padung na daw na sa Fern. Pero, we cannot go there at this rate because it's very lapok, mga ka-Juliet. Maruiming gitukada sa among motor ba nga. Gusto na yung taon ukuan. Uy! Lisod nagsaka, kay ang lapok nagpilit-pilit sa ligid. So we better postpone the trip, mga ka-Juliet. We'll learn something today. Nga, kumulaag kanang dili uwan.
Hello, mga ka-Juliet. I am exactly standing at ewan ko saan na to. Basta na may taliwala sa kabukiran. We are somewhat going sana sa Fern. Kasi meron silang agricultural farm dito. Kaso, 1 kilometer away pa doon. Tapos, nanalaw namin sa daan. Because it's very dangog. Maputik, hindi sementado, tsaka pasaka. Pataas yung daan. So, we better postpone this trip.
And since naa naman jud me, I would like to introduce mo rag tao. I'd just like to share to you this thing. It's a quarantine facility dito sa St. Bernard. And look, makita mo talagang nag-prepare talaga yung municipality nila. It's a beautiful tent, something like a tent house or what do you call this one? Complete, may fence pa sila. So parang di ka talaga makakapasok if you are a family. Plus the fact that it is very far from the barrio or from the inhabitants, so it's very safe, so they can really take care of themselves in here. Tanawa o, it's colorful. They have their colorful fences made of empty plastic bottles. Kaya ang ila pong atbang ludyo pud ani tapat ani before ani is the material recovery facility. Let's go.
See, their fences are made of empty bottles. Kalahi Seeds, Emergency Quarantine Facility, Municipality of St. Bernard, Southern Leyte. Pero walang tao, ha? Quarantine area pala to. Para siyang ang ganda ng idea kasi malayo talaga siya sa mga tao kasi nga mabundok na itong part na to, wala ng kabahayan. Tapos ito yung facility nila, quarantine area, super safe. Andito pala yung material recovery facility dito sa side na to. Ayan. See? Akala ko ito na yung fern, kaso ang layo pa pala. Nanalaw na ako sa agianan, so balik na lang ta. Uy, kailang ka patuga-tuga. Material Recovery Facility of St. Bernard, Southern Leyte. This is where the garbages in the homes will go. Tara. See? Fern Agricultural Farm, Mahayahay, St. Bernard, Southern Leyte, 1 kilometer away pa. Inakaya ng powers namin. So we better postpone the trip. Go on another day, on a sunny day. Today kasi maulan at maputik. So here I am. So here we are. As feeling that driver. That's the road we're going to go to travel. It's Lugsongon mga ka-Juliet kasi pauwi na kami.
Panitog, bagilid.
Ayun. Wala. Nga kami ngayon. Nga. Nakakatakot yung daan mga ka-Juliet. Paliko-liko siya. Tingnan nyo. Paliko-likong kalsada at daan. Dito sa St. Bernard, Southern Leyte. Kamera jo hinsaka on a rainy day, kamera jo hingare bantog ra nga kamera hingare. Wala gi mag-research nga bawal da diri mo ari og ting 1. Ayan. Subad na naman ang kalbaryo natin sa daan. See? Mabato sa part na to.
Mali pa ka bagilid.
Di na. Wag na. So mahirapan dito pag nakakotse kayo, pupunta kayo dito, parang mahirap. Trust me. Mahirap nga. Ayan. Then may yung mga bato sa kalsada, oh. Para silang naghihintay ng tubig, mag-uunahan papuntang baba. Naog ko. Anisura. Nagubi. Nagubi. Anisura magdaan. Ha?
Ano ginawa ka lang?
Anisura mga Juliet. Taro yan, Dan. Anisura. Look, tanawa. Dan.
Ito na lang, professional ang driver mo.
Buti na lang, lahing kabayo yung paa ng driver ko. Ang haba. Kapag-tupod.
Dito pa tuloy pa para bag mo sa tabi.
Ay, not divert the topic.
That's it for now mga ka-Juliet. Thank you. Kahit hindi namin napunta yung farm, but you have accompanied us throughout the whole duration of this video. And as always mga ka-Juliet, I'm asking your heart, your kind heart, to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here. If you are new here. Thank you. To God be the highest glory. See you next time. Meron pang part 3. Bye-bye!